Hello world! You can love your life deeply and appreciate all that you have and still honor the voice within telling you there's something more out there for you. Honoring your dreams doesn't lessen the life you have now, just like loving your life now doesn't lessen the beauty of your dreams. You have unconditional permission to do both, to fall in love with your life in this moment exactly as it is, while listening to that inner voice that tells you there's something more. There is still so much life ahead of you. Some of your best days haven't even come yet. Some of your greatest chapters, they are still being written. And one day you are going to look back and see that life was guiding you and preparing you for something more stunning than you ever knew existed. That it was always on your side, working in your favor, weaving together a unique tapestry that was so much richer and more vibrant than you had ever allowed yourself to imagine. You have experienced so much in this lifetime and there's still so much more coming. An entire future to explore, and what's coming you won't need to force it because it's going to settle deep inside your bones, and you are not just going to survive the years to come. You are going to flourish. By Sana Kate Lee.
Anna didn't forget her exercise for her butt enhancement.
Co dzisiaj robisz?
Dla dobra mojej dupy.
That's right. Czyli pośladkowy średni. Taśma odwodząca, brzuch napięty i odwodzący.
From Anna for her friend Carolina, everything has its own time. Experience, discover, absorb all of yourself, what you want, stay and want. It's so beautiful to see you blooming. Love lays you fly high. On the post of Anna, it captioned with, the two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. As to what it said, the first half of life is about becoming who you needed to be to survive. The second half is about unveiling everything that no longer aligns with your soul's purpose. That's not a middle life crisis. It's a rebirth.
Onana supporting women as a women power at Sea Bloggers event. This is the biggest festival for internet creators in Poland. You are doing it right, Anna. Just keep it up.
Oh yeah, workout time of Simone. Let's watch in here how he lift a barbell. Oh yeah? Okay, Simone. A blink of a swimming pool scene on the campaign ad of Simone. Do you know how Simone danced, or the question, did he dance or do some exercise? This is another workout that Simone trying to master as he want to be into boxing exercise, and as to what I have seen, he is doing well in it and he enjoy it. There is a behind the scene on the boat shooting wherein the adrenaline of Simone is really into rush of action. Take a look at this and you will also be getting excited to see the reflexes of Simone. Everybody, hold your breath. Oh, wow, wow, wow! Yeah, it's true. Simone is really a good swimmer. It's proven that he can jump, dive into the very deep blue sea water. What a spectacular scene, isn't it, guys? Yes, summer is really here at this time as the heat of the sun goes. Simone beat also the hottest of the weather, as dashing as ever he was. Oh, 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 oh! You're so cool, Simone!
It's yummy! What a delicious, perfect, healthy meal, Simone! Ruthless, charismatic, lethal, command with looks, seduce with threats. Malamore with Simone Susina is at the cinema, a story of desire and power. Wow! A big round of applause as Malamore is the only Italian film in the top 10 box office in its first weekend in theatrical. Oh yeah, who owned that feat, Michele? No worry guys, Michele just reposted a story from one of an account in an IG. What does it mean, Michele? As it means in English, suggested dots take advantage of our weaknesses. Expert manipulator, master of deception, and father of lies. Oh, to whom you are saying it, Michele? From the Deadline News, it's so good to know that Oscar winner Al Pacino has joined the cast of the biographical drama Maserati the Brothers, featuring Anthony Hopkins, Andy Garcia, Jessica Alba, Michele Morrone, and Salvatore Esposito. Also joining the cast are Gina Lapiana and Tatiana Luthor, while Nicky Cortese and Wayne Mark Godfrey from Bright Light are aboard to co-finance and executive produce the project. On the new campaign ad of Hell Energy Drink, it captioned with Michele go-to recipe for beating the heat, just him in the middle of the lake with a refreshing Hell Energy Drink classic. But it quickly turns out he is not alone in loving it. One thing for sure, those who truly know how to make the most of the summer cool down with their favorite Hell Energy Drink. As Michele saying, feel the moment, this is Hell Energy Drink. From the post of Prime Video with a caption on it, a question for all, that who wouldn't want a guy like Michele Morrone, where he's a complete total package in his looks, indifferent expression, written in his face, there is a scream of aura that he is totally handsome. I know everybody can relate to it. Let's all take a look at this. Happiness, excitement, anger, and sadness. Name it and Michele Morrone can express it. When in London, where will Andrea and Michele going this time? Yeah, they are on the English countryside.
Sudah apa India?
they have brains?
Okay.
You think that frogs have brains?
No, I'm sorry. I think I have them at this point.
I mean, they're going somewhere. They must know where.
On Michele's story, let's all mark our calendar. Let's not gonna miss it on Tuesday, May 20 at 9:25 p.m. On Rai, Michele will be the guest of Francesca Fagnani in Belve. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 138 of the 365 days of 2025. Message to all. I know you are feeling a little lost and uncertain. Something is shifting inside of you, and it's hard and uncomfortable, and you wish it was over. You want to be on the other side, healed and whole and immersed in a new chapter. One day you are going to look back on this moment, and you are not going to think of these days as wasted time. This was when you found yourself here in your own darkness. Here you unearthed something that changed everything, and you will not recognize what a beautiful thing it is, how you are gently feeling into each moment. The discomfort you are experiencing won't last forever, but what emerged from the unraveling will, and one day you will understand how this was the season of your becoming, blooming beautifully, transforming tenderly, even as you keep doing your best just to navigate your next breath. One day you will see this was how you found your way. There is peace in trusting that you are exactly where you are meant to be right now, in reminding your anxious mind that what's meant for you isn't going to pass you by. You just have to let yourself feel your way through the heaviness of being human in a life that rarely feels easy, in a world that doesn't always make sense. There is peace in recognizing that the moon is allowed to honor all of its phases, and so you are. So when you don't feel at peace, remember that it's okay to contract. Go inward and seek solace in your own inner world. It's okay to stay there for a while. There is peace in knowing no matter what phase you are in, you are still right where you need to be. Your light is still more than enough. You are still whole. By Sana Kate Leigh.